Molo, then I'm Kapila Condijani.
Yes. All right, mama. So, laptop itini mama na lengi ngaki ne? No lengi ngaki mama.
Okay.
Sponis.
Mo ingaki apha. Mawufaka i-memory card, ayithatha i-memory card, ayiveze next i-memory card. So, ithi xa uyijonga phaa
Right, so we have a question here. What's
file manager? SD is not there.
SD icon is not there.
It's not there, but it is already in, but it is not there.
Okay.
And then now, secondly, when you charge, I don't know what is wrong here. It doesn't charge now. I phone charger. I don't know. Nobody phone any charger, but I charge because zonke izinto ezisebenza I charge.
So mama sizoyilungisa ngoku. Yabona ne? Sizoyilungisa. So ngizokubonisa ne. Silungise mama.
Masilungise.
Okay, konxaki. So nanzi ne. This tablet does not work when you put a memory card. Yabona ithi there's a problem, it's tough, does not reflect the memory card. So we're gonna fix this. Sizoyilungisa. We're gonna fix it. Okay?
Yes.
So we took a memory card and let's see if I get
Yes.
Okay, so go mama. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put the memory cards here. We just put it. We fagile
memory card.
Memory card. Yes. So we're gonna clean all the memory card in this one, and when it's clean, we're gonna put it back
to the
tablet and see if it's gonna work or no. It's just pan.
Okay.
It's gonna work.
Okay.
So it's in already. Mama, we fagile ne?
Yes.
You put it in there.
Put it in.
Okay. So now let's go here. Okay. Let's put it back again. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna flex. Okay. We are going to connect as a media, so see backup. Because we are ne. At first it did not connect because we're supposed to choose. Okay. So no media or camera media. All of them. So okay. So connect there. Okay. Connect as a media.
Can you just put it on light? Put it lighter.
Lighter, ne?
This, yes.
So gap.
Okay.
So gonna gap. And you just do this and then you go up or more. However you want.
Okay.
Okay. Now connected. Can transfer the photo, no transfer the media files, window using on the Mac. Onto PC. Okay, so go mama ne. So because ngapa itini, this one is for Mac and this is for PC. Okay, so let's pause this and then we're gonna go to the computer and see how we can change.
Yes.
How we can change. Yeah, mama. Okay. So we're gonna have to go and make what?
We are live now.
We are live right now. So so this is live right now. Okay. They're jealous right now.
I see they're jealous.
So you can see them.
They're jealous of me being alive. Mother and son, I'm telling you.
Mama, I'm trying to.
Yes.
Hey, mama. Okay, sharp. So we go back and switch on. Phones, for example, if I'm gonna pull this, let's try this. See this on here? This one here, if I put it, it should show memory card and a phone.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so ngap mama. It seems like it does not show. It does not showing. So I think we have to get memory slots, mama.
Bene charger apa or be la bi charge kweyakhe qha charge. Akasekho ngokusisi. So andiyazi why inga charge.
Okay.
I'm so worried.
No. Don't worry, mama. khona ngapha mthana wakho ngizoyilungisa yebo that's how it does sometimes.
Okay.
So lingxaki is only charge mama.
Charging.
Amen.
Charger unandipha ya charger yayeka futhi ethubile.
Another charger. This charge. The charger. Zamenazed.
Maybe for us some position sizamulungisa i-charger ngoku mayikwazi ukuchaja le fowuni ngoba le fowuni ayifuna uchaja ngoku
ayizochaja mama
mayizame mntanami
ngizoyilungisa jonga mama ne
so I'm worried maybe there is something else lapha ngaphakathi
amasebenza nanzi i-port or nanzi ibonile most like ichajile kancinci and then okay mama change it okanye hamba sebenze ndayishinga and then nizozama kuyilungisa mama uyabona ne so that uzosebenza and then nizozama kuyilungisa
okay give me that high five
sharp mama
sharp my darling
sharp mama alright nje bulala ixesha lakho mama ne
okay mntanami
alright sharp